Yo, yo. What up, what up, what up? Yo, yo, London gang. Let's have a look. All right. All right. Let me just move some stuff here. All right, man. Wow, gold's going crazy. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Here we go. Here we go, London Open. Right now is London Open. Caught the gold move up. Oh, my boy on sniper entries. All good. Let's have a look. Here to make money. That's it. Yeah, pretty much. What up, Harmless? Aight. Heading for 5K. Yeah, exactly. It heard me. Nah, but here we go. We've got a bit of time here. We've got London Open. And there's no reason why we can't make money. So let's have a look. Oh, NQ's all the way up here as well. Sort of. All right, so, you know, it's not ideal that we got this massive push on gold. Hopefully there's still volume in the market. That's where my head's at, is hopefully there's still volume in the market for us to have some money as well. So let's see. So what I'm going to do is I want to do a quick top-down analysis here just on gold, just to get a bit of an overview, because I haven't really looked at the market yet today. You know, monthly, we know what the monthly on gold's looking like. This is a major level of support on the monthly. No wonder we had a pretty decent reaction. Right, we're at that major level of support. I've been kind of anticipating gold to kind of, you know, come down to at least here and then maybe have a reaction off. And then potentially even sell off even more. Who knows? But definitely expecting price to come down to here at some point this week. Maybe not this week. Anyway, so the weekly is bearish, so weekly, not monthly. Daily really gave this level of stab here on the left. Big rejection off now. So how much is that rejection? Wow, nearly 1,000 pip rejection here, you guys. Unbelievable. Right, so daily had a big rejection here. 4-hour rejection. 1 hour engulfing a lot of this bullshit here. 30-minute maybe slowing down a bit. 15 looks like it's slowing down a bit. So let me mark some sort of level here. Yeah, we're kind of at a pretty key level. Yeah, we're gonna have to see. I don't know. Let's just see how this next candle pans out and shit. And yeah, it's tricky. It's tricky. Gold's gonna go sideways for 10 more years? Nah, don't jinx it, bro. Don't jinx it. Missed the buy because I was in the shower. I mean, what indication did you get to buy this though? You know what I mean? Just do it. Sorry. And NQ, let's have a quick look at NQ. NQ coming up to this level here. 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Major level here on NQ. Major level. The amount of times in my life I've said the word major level. 1 hour, 30, 15. I mean, fuck. Yeah, major level there. Decent level here. We'll keep an eye on NQ about these two levels here, I'd say. We'll keep an eye on NQ with these two levels. Army matey. What would you say about current T2 on NQ? Yeah, just looking at it right. Yeah, I was just looking at it on the 15. Moving up. I don't think it's a bad idea. Yeah, I don't think it's the worst trade. Yeah. I was just looking at that, but I was like, oh, I guess I didn't really get a chance to kind of do analysis there. How are we? What's up, Bob? Big Bob in the house. Bumbaclat. 4 hour T1, 15-minute T2. Wait, what are you looking at, Jack? On NQ? Maybe it looks different on futures. Let's have a look on futures. Yeah, it's much better to do analysis on futures for NQ. U 4 hour. Oh, 4 hour broke out on futures on NQ. Retesting now. 1 hour. Yeah, this trade like makes sense technically. Bit weird range, but it looks like it makes sense. And quiz, yeah. Second Logan Paul, bro. The amount of Logan Paul shit I get these days is crazy. I was at a restaurant the other day and the owner came up to me and he goes, "Hey, are you And I was like, "I know what you're gonna say." He's like, "Really? Who?" I can't remember his name. He's like, I go, "Logan Paul." And he showed me a photo of Logan Paul. He was gonna show me the photo of him. I was like, "Brother." So Danny, don't come live this way. The screen can't zoom. Or live this way. Yeah, I have to come live this way. Yeah, you don't need to see the zoom anyway. You just need to see what we're looking at right here. China. Bro, it's so cooked. Bro, Fuse on Apex Legends, there's a skin and I only ever see you. Fuse Apex Legends. Let's have a look. I'm gonna be pissed, I guarantee. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about that, but okay. If I had a bit of grey in the beard, grey in the hair and did it up like that. Big Fuse dog. But let's see if we get a trade here. I'd like to trade gold, I think. What's the best prop firm? I don't know. Bing Bang. Just use any of them, bro. Just use the cheapest ones. Like the cheap ones are like Apex and Top Step. That's gonna be your best bet. Your best bet is choosing the cheap ones because if you choose expensive ones, it doesn't make sense. Some of you guys are still with FTMO and shit, and it's like, brother, what are we doing? You really want to just be milking these prop firms, so get the cheap ones and milk them. Milk, milk, milk! Alright. Sorry, I'm just looking at these things. No one wants to buy a course. Yeah. Goat funded. Oh man, I took the best, like one of my favoriteest trades yesterday. Unfortunately, I didn't get to take, it's interesting, that support level that we were selling into yesterday has actually become new resistance. Didn't get to get, my runners got clipped by like a pip, but sold here, right? Sold here. Targets would have been like down here, but partials got clipped at support. But bro, it was just perfectly sniped. Trying to getting in before that big push. And this is something I talked with my mentorship guys about a lot recently, which is like market anticipation and like, you know, if you can get in before that big key level it gets tapped into, the market presented that opportunity. But there was lessons learned. Sometimes I think, you know, at the time I didn't think this was a good time to go BE. I thought it was a good time to go BE, but in hindsight, I should have secured partials and then just moved my stop a little bit lower, not actually to entry. But man, it was just a really nice trade. Are you waiting for a reversal or breakout? I don't know, bro. I would rather a breakout. I don't want to I don't want to buy too much. I don't want to sell against this, right? Still sick. What up, what up, what up? NQ breaks below this, maybe. Looks like weird volume though. I'm doing it after this, after stream, Harmless. For sure, for sure. Trying to take T2 dynamic level trades, keep messing it up. Wait, Lee, are you in the mentorship? Why would you take gold sell yesterday? Please logic. I'm not going to be able to give you too much logic without, you know, you being one of like our mentor guys, because it's going to be tough. I don't even want to fully try and explain it to my guys on stream. That's why Harmless there, he's in the mentorship. I said I'm going to do a full trade breakdown for it. Because in our group, you know, I got this section here, trade breakdowns. Oh, I guess you guys can't see it. You can see it here. Yeah, I got this section here called trade breakdowns where I'll kind of make a video and go into detail as to why the trade was taken, and you know, it can help you understand. So I'm going to do a full one of these today after stream on that trade. It won't make a ton of sense to YouTube guys. For free, sir. Bro, it's so crazy because yesterday I went to the Museum of the Future Museum, and one of the guys from the mentorship, he was like, yo, you know, I came in to meet you. No, he had only paid for the course material. He wasn't actually in the mentorship, so I added him in for free because I was like, man, you're a G. One-on-one mentorship still open? Yeah, we'll take a few more on. I mean, if somebody were to inquire now, I'd probably take them on for next month. Brother, why don't you reply to my comment? Guarantee it's a shit comment. Let's have a look. Goat funded trader request my payout on 20 years, but I didn't get my payout. That's why I didn't answer. Do I work for Goat Funded? Right? Yo, Goat Funded, we've got Amy in the chat wants to know why she hasn't received her payout yet. Because she's annoying you in a TikTok chat? Oh, okay, yeah, no worries. Yeah, apparently it's because you're spamming me in the TikTok chat. Now, I don't know, bro. You probably just got scammed. Yeah. Just go scan probably. Talking to Henry, might sign up soon. What should I expect from the one-on-ones? Nice. Yep. Let's get it, let's get it. Oh, today's the final day of the quarterly and the 6-month candle. Wow, okay. See, what I'm looking at now, you guys, is I'm looking at this as a support level now for a break above. I'd rather buy gold. I don't want to sell at this point. So let's see if we get a break above or some sort of thing above. Oh, look, here we go. Zaya in the chat here. Yes, Daniel, thank you. It was really honored to meet you yesterday. That was Zaya in the chat. What's up, brother? It was good to meet you too. Yes, sir. Let's get it, my G. Can't pay for coaching currently about my time. It's okay. Hey, Dan, I've been trying to get in contact. Loose unit? What? I can't tell if you're joking. Don't sweat it, brother. You're still my favorite scammer. Let's get it. Let's scam. How can I close 50% of the trade on MT5? You just right click. I'll show you. All right, so if you see where your profit, actually, I'll show you the balance. So you can see balance down here. Just right click it, go to modify position here. I can't show you unless I'm in a trade. Here, let me place a 0.01 lot. 0.02 lot. So let's buy. And then you right click it. What the fuck? Why is it not letting me modify? Maybe you need to put big. Oh no, you right click the top one. See how there's two? There's the balance one, and then above that is that one. You right click that one. Yeah, there we go. Modify position. And then it will bring this thing here. You go market execution. And because I've got 0.02 lots on and I want to close 50%, I'll just close 0.1. And then go here, close position. Boom. I just secured 50%. So now I've secured that. And then whatever from there. So yeah, that's how you do it. You dig? Yeah, we get a breakout here. I'm trying to do shit. Oh, you've been on a winning streak since finishing the 5-hour free course. Nice. Yeah, I've been doing all right as well. That's a fucking sticky bag. Yeah, I've been doing really nice actually. One, two, three, four, five. Let's see if we can get a 6 win in a row. Win in a row. I was saying yesterday, it's like with the system that I use and the way that I trade, it's like it's very common to get like 5, 6, 7, 8 wins in a row. The most I'll get in terms of losses in a row is like typically like 3. 3 is like, man, that fucking, that sucks, but you know, doesn't usually get any worse than 3. Tap shit. Sorry, TikTok, you guys can't see because you're TikTok. It's only YouTube that can see. What do you mean when you say secure 50%? I mean, if I'm buying 10 lots and then I secure 5 lots, that means I've secured 50%. Like I've taken 50% of the profits off the table. So if I've bought 10 lots and I'm in profit right now, $1,000, but then I secure 5 lots, that means I've secured $500. Uh, 67 left from 100K originally. Nah, the 100K I took out. I got the 100K up to 117, took out like 50%, 50, withdrew 50K, then threw around the other like 11 or some shit. And now I put 50K into this account and I'm growing it again from 50. That's what I think I might just do. I might just keep bringing it up to 100, withdrawing 50. You get 50K USD hit your account, it's fucking juicy. And yeah, just keep doing that. Why not, right? Yeah, we get a break above here. I think I'm interested in buying gold. Someone's got to do it, man. InQ looks like dog shit. Make sure you guys on the stream drop a thumbs up for the stream chat. Don't be a dog. All right, let's have a look. Yeah, we get a break above here. I'm looking to buy gold. I mean, I keep telling you guys how to use MT5 simulator, MT5, but I still don't know how to freaking put text here, man. Like when I put text, it just doesn't show up. See what I mean? No text anywhere on this. I want to put text on this line, but it doesn't show up. Draw object as background. Yeah. All right, dude, you giving up on trading prop firms? Nah, I don't. I still trade. Like I'm funded with loose Apex and shit at the moment, but I just, oh man, I'll be honest, and this is like the degenerate in me, but it's just so hard for me to respect prop firms now after trading personal, because I just want to put a massive buffer on it quick, so I'll just blow it because I just don't respect it. No, I'm not explaining Top Step accounts. All you need to do is just Google it, bro. Nah, there's no pip amount, David, to describe an overextended play. It's just based on structure, not pips. Trading 1.5 years, financially tight, can't pay for coaching, personal guidance from you would save me years of struggle. Yeah, I mean, in order to get money, you're going to have to spend money a lot of the time. The thing for me is like I've acquired a skill to such a degree that I can sell the service for a fee. And that's just the nature of life. That's why I do these live streams for free. Like I try and give you as much free value as I can here. But other than that, like if you want that personalized stuff, you know, I'm jumping on calls for hours every day with guys, and it's a lot of time of me as well, and energy. Okay, Lewis, I'll have a look after this, bro. You don't think it'll take these highs, pull back 50%, push? I have no idea, bro. Yeah, that's right, Tim. I think we're so bullish right now that I'd probably disregard that, or if not, take partials there. Yeah, exactly. Master Flex, appreciate you, brother. Looking at this level here, you guys, a break above. Definitely looking at this level here as a break above. I don't care what anyone says. Gold's pushing up, so I want to push up too. Oh, NFP's coming? When's NFP? That came around quick. Fuck me. Come to India, Dan? Come to India, Dan. Indian women. Let's have a look. Indian women. Yeah, I don't know if I'll come to India, bro. Let's have a look. Yeah, maybe I'll come. Maybe I'll come. But yeah, maybe, bro. We'll see. Yo, Ariel, what's good? What do you like to do after you're done with trading? Clear your mind? I don't do anything to clear my mind. The only thing I do to clear my mind is wake up in the morning and go to the gym. Everything other than that is work related. I don't stop, bro. But it's good. You know, the thing is, bro, like I've been broke my whole life. So like my mindset now is like I won't stop until I'm never going back. So it's like, okay, what business can I set up? What things can I do? This. It's like there's no stopping, bro. You can't let your foot off the gas. I'm not going back to being that fucking person again. Come on, Gold. Hang out here for us, will ya, bucko? Why go blonde? What's the secret? I don't know, bro. I honestly don't know. Wait, is NFP really this Thursday? I don't think it's this Thursday. Oh, yeah, you're right. It's at the first of every month. Oh, it's like the first week of every month. This Friday. Come to Iran? Could you please review my trade in review section? Let's have a look. Let's review trade in the review section here. Yeah, we're looking at this before. Like I was looking at this after the fact. I mean, what was there? Was there any other high? Like, what was the 30 looking like? Yeah, not bad. I don't think this was the worst trade. I don't know if I would have been in it though, personally. I don't know if I would have been in it. I don't think it's a bad trade though. Hopefully you can still survive this. If you're still in it, looks like you're still in it. Yeah, I haven't got much analysis on that, bro, to be honest. We're gonna go. My chats get spammed here. What up, Defity? Come to Saudi Arabia? Yeah. That might be the go as well. Oh, look at this. Someone else passed. They completed the 5-hour free course and passed 1 to 2 funded accounts. Thank you. Nice. Sick. How much is your Rolex? You don't have to ask me twice. You know, I've been in Dubai exactly 1 year yesterday, I believe. And when I came to, when I first came to Dubai, I hung out with some friends here. We went to a cigar lounge. And at that cigar lounge hangout, one of my mates was wearing a Rolex. I was like, man, that's so sick. Like I was asking where he got it and shit, and like, oh, how much did it cost? Because I was like, the idea of getting one would be sick, but I never thought I actually would. I was just like acting delusional in my mind. A year later, we caught up again. I'm like, bro, do you remember when I was asking you about the Rolex? He's like, yeah, bro, I do. I fucking do. Yo, what's good, Trent? What up, brother? Good to see you, my G. How do I give Trent a follow? Oh, I'm already following you on TikTok, it looks like. Am I? Yeah, I am. That's good, man. Good to hear. Hopefully you're still hitting the gym and shit. All right, we've got 52 seconds here. Still looking for a break above this level. Yeah, I'm taking a buy on. Oh, you're taking a buy on gold in any scenario, even though gold already moved up 400 pips. Yes, yeah, I am, because you know I've been trading gold now for 6 years. There's one thing I've learned about gold is if it's moving in a certain direction, don't ever think, oh, like it's done. Nah, that bitch will keep moving. That's right, Michael. Can you answer my question about your course? Hi, Dan. I need to ask you a question, bro. I'm about to lose my full-time job. Oh, let's have a look here. Sorry. Yeah, look, Golf fucking bitched it here. Let's have a look. 30 closed doji like this. What did NQ do? Ugh. Poo-poo. Poo-poo stuff here. I'm interested in waiting, but we'll see. Nico asked, lost my full-time job and I'm thinking about going full-time in a trade, and I've been consistently profitable for more than a year now. And I've saved up over 100K, but I feel a little bit scared to... I mean, if you've got 100K, you're consistently profitable, it might be worth giving it a crack, but do it through prop firms, bro. Just get a couple of prop accounts, because you could get a prop account and get like a 5K payout, and then you're like technically kind of set for a month, right? Like 5K USD should set you up, like should pay your rent, you have enough food and enough to just kind of scrape by for a month. So then you got a month of free time to make more. I would say use props. Don't put that personal capital into an account. 100%. You only want to start using personal like large personal capital when you've got multiple streams of income and you're financially okay. It's good. I think it's good to start small personal accounts and shit. Oh, Dim asked a question in the trading chat. Let's have a look. Would this level count? Nah, that's... Dima, I was willing to disregard that, or at least take partials there. Yep. I was willing to either disregard that or at least take partials there in this case, because we're so bullish that I believe if price continues up, we should be good to kind of smash through that. On my account, it looks way smaller than that one. That one, that looks like futures looks bigger, but Forex looks smaller. Like it's a smaller body doji. Appreciate you, Ink. Yes, sir. We're all going to make it, my G. Change my YouTube name. Oh, history. What's good? Appreciate you, bro. History was my first ever live stream viewer here. Unfiltered Files. The GOAT. Yeah, don't get jumpy here. Let's just see. Let price give us a trade setup. How do I get over the fear? Because I see a lot of good moves, but I don't react to it. I mean, there's a difference between a good move and your trade setup. I see a lot of good moves as well, but I don't see a lot of my trade setup. So you only click the button when you see your trade setup. I thought it was liquidity grab and I short and I lose. Bro, I thought liquidity grab so I short and lose. I mean, sorry, but yeah, I guess that happens. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for YouTube stream. Go full margin. Full margin. What website? Forex Factory. That's a good thing. Let me have a look here. I haven't actually looked at that today. Oh, it looks like I'm glitching here. Oh, there we go. Forex Factory. No red folder USD news today. I know, silly question, but why is gold? What should you choose to trade by others like Nas? Gold's got a lot of volatility. That's what we want when we're trading. We want volume in the market. Yeah, you want to be trading volume in the market. Why are you streaming vertically on YouTube? Bro, stop asking. I'm doing it because that's what I want to do. Okay? Just trade and make money. Now I've got to blow my nose. The double champ does whatever the fuck you want. Bro, why are you streaming vertically?
Bruh.
I like you so much. I love you. If you were here, I'd kiss you. Alright, Gold, what do we got, man? Yeah, I mean, we could just get dog shit, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Do you recommend trading the eval phase aggressively? I wouldn't tell you. I don't know enough about your trading. About to buy a Pop Showroom challenge for the first time? I would say go for Top Step and get 50k. Top Step 50k. Yeah, but same here, Dean. 9 out of 10 times I do the same, but it's not a profitable strategy. That's just you understanding that, like, yeah, there's a probability of price moving up here. It looks like it's going to move up, but the idea is, how do I enter that, and how do I have a repeatable criteria for my risk? You know, so how much, like, if it does go against me, which is very likely to happen, how much am I willing to lose, and is there a repeatable system behind that? There's no repeatable system behind, oh, I think price is going to move here. Oh, look, it did. Right? What up, Velocity? Yeah, so Gold's a bit of chop suey here. We'll see what happens. Nah, don't go for FTMO. It's a waste of money. Yeah, Logan, legit. What up, Gas? Yeah, so we'll see, man. Let's have a look. What's Bitcoin been doing? Still down? Yeah, still in the 50s. Wow. The music, yeah, it's fucking. How do you scale consistently in the 10, 15k days? It's not even a matter of scale. I mean, it is a matter of scaling to a degree, but you just put a lot of risk on. That's all. I've done it heaps, like with props, and it's just a matter of risk, size. Yeah. Yep. But it's super dangerous. Like, you're very likely just gonna blow all your shit. It gets exhausting. It's very mentally taxing. It's not worth it. The best is just base hits, just scrape, scalp, scalp, scalp. Come in, grab your piece, and cruise. It's very mentally exhausting. Eddie from your Discord? I don't remember Eddie. I mean, if it's in the free Discord, it's gonna be hard. There's over 7,000 people in there. But appreciate you, brother. Eddie in the house. Yeah, I have a specific strategy. So, I mean, if gold was a break above here, I could still be interested. Not really, but we'll see. Looks like volume's really died in the arse here for London. Bro, gift me a Fundy account? Yeah, righto. What do I get? Are you looking for 3 white knights? I'm looking for 3 white Latinas. Yeah, I remember that as well, Saint. 3 white knights. Yeah, yeah. Broke his heart. He was special to you? No, I mean, here's the thing. If you put yourself in a position to feel awkward, then that's not my fault. Oh, here's Eddie here. Big Eddie in the house. How can we not know Eddie? Yeah, he's in the free Discord. Oh, okay, here's Eddie. Yeah, I see Eddie. Eddie's here a lot. Eduardo. Look, this is Eddie here. Eddie Loki doing 9K days. Eduardo in the house. So let's have a look at Eddie's trade here. Holy fuck, Eddie. 4 hour on gold. Oh, Eddie's in a cell. I think Eddie's entered a cell. He's got DCISD, DVG, and all this other stuff. Alright, let's go, Eddie. Maguire. Thanks for making me profitable, Dan. Let's go. Can I have some money? Oops. What do we got? Gold. Oh my god, this dude is still fucking yapping on about the screen. Bro, if you could see more of the candles, what difference does it make? Right? I'm assuming you're looking at the chart as well, so you can see where we are in the market right now. You can see what time frame I'm on, and you can see everything else. This is all you need to see. Like, stop asking about that and be more like asking how to make fucking money. Tap sheet. Yeah, got a level here on NQ. Sort of. Sorry. That's alright, bro. Love you. Can you please check futures BBL? Wait, what? BBL futures. BBL futures. BBL futures. Oh, that one was bad. Sorry.
Emotional damage.
Alright, man. What do we got? We've got a minute and a half here for a candle closure. It's not looking like there's much volume right here. Yeah. Oh, Jack, that's fucked. Emotional damage. This is what I'm gonna say to you guys after we win a trade.
What a good boy.
Oh, that's bad. That was so zesty. BBL Drizzy. Alright, man, what do we got? Oh, God, are we really not giving us any volume here? You know, when I came into the session seeing this big push up, I was like, nay, not a good sign. Bruh, are you wearing a wig? No, but I did shampoo and condition my hair, so now it looks weird. Yeah, when I shampoo and condition my hair, it turns into like Justin Bieber. Legit, Ariel. Yeah, fair enough. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. We've got 670 people here and only 2 likes. Funded Next review? I think Funded Next are pretty good. They're a bit exy, but other than that. I think Latina saying that I would turn into Super Saiyan. Gothic Latina, that's like an ultra combo.
Six, seven!
Fuck. Sorry. I'm really sorry about that. All right, looks like we've got crazy good volume here. Wow. A 15-minute candle just closed full-blown doji. This is tough, man. I'll hang out for a little bit longer, see if we get something coming in here, but other than it's not looking good, you guys. It is not looking good. I think you need to come up with a mechanical process about taking partials. Wait, what do you mean? We do have a mechanical process about taking partials. Yeah, you need to get back through the course material, Roman. There is a very strict criteria for taking partials. Maybe small retest? Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. At this stage, NQ's I don't know, not really looking good either, to be honest. Oh, sometimes take it earlier, sometimes not. Yeah, it's just based on the setup of the time. Yeah, that's all. It's just based on the setup, how things are playing out, and yeah, what levels you're running into. So it's just going to be based on the structure of the setup, and each setup is completely individual and completely unique to the setup before. So it's about gauging it. But if there's clean traffic to the left and everything's running as it should, yeah, it should be 80%, 80% of the way, 80% of the position. Oh, copper's ripping, is it? Top step for sure, overfunded next, I'd say. These people in the TikTok chat that go, looking for trading signals, come to my channel. It's like, does anyone actually follow that shit? Yo, Moodgy in the house. What up, brother? Big Moodgy. Yeah, I mean, it depends, Roman, because here's the thing. If you decide for whatever reason to secure partials earlier and go BE, and yes, you're not winning as much as you would if you would have let it run further, but you're consistently winning. Your psychology is good because you're consistently winning as well. So you need to outweigh it. Like, hey, if I were to let this run more and get more, that's cool. But if I lose, is it going to be better for me psychologically? Like, I always think a higher win rate is better, even if it means you secure profits earlier. Now, with time and experience, you're going to get a better pulse on, hey, I'm going to let this one run and things like that, and accept the risk by doing so. But I don't think there's anything wrong with that, man. Which prop firm is better? There are a lot of. Brother, go to a prop firm called Top Step. T-O-P-S-T-E-P. Top Steppy. Banana Boy. Oh, Wayon did the chat. Why did the chicken cross the road? Oh man, I'm scared. I don't know. I don't know, bro. What's your net worth and your mother's maiden name and the last digits of your card? Brother. No, I'm not using Top Step, but I still recommend them. Yeah, well then Roman, if it's tilting you that way, then do what you said. Commit to even letting it go to a one-to-one without going BE, Roman. Get in the habit of that. Don't even take 80% off. Just let it go to BE. Let it go to full TP and get in the mindset of even exaggerating it. Like maybe if you let it go to one-to-one, go to BE, and then let it go move your TP up even further. Like get in the habit of letting it run more than if you're finding that it's tilting the wrong way. 100%. There's NQ. Let's smoke some cigars. Yeah, I feel you, bro. If I wasn't indoors right now, I would be very keen on that. Yeah, I need to move out so I get a bigger place for smoking cigars and making content. Suggest the best CFD prop firm. I don't know. I'll tell you in 2 weeks. There's a new one coming out called Oz Funded. I don't even know why that's funny. Oh man, what do we got? Let's have a look. Bitcoin, nothing. Yeah, what a shame. No volume here, you guys. Yeah, maybe a sell of break below. Yeah, I guess we'll put that there, but it's not really the conditions for that. I'd rather like get some sort of impulse play somewhere. What did I just hear? Got an hour closure coming up here as well. If this candle breaks above, the hour closes above as well, I'll look at an impulse. I'll look at a buy, I think. Where are you from? Australia originally, but I live in Dubai now. Dubai. Yo, MC in the chat, bro. What the hell? Been a hot minute. What's up, brother? MC on the mod. Just start spam banning. Spam ban, it can ban it, ban it. The market's sleepy? Yeah, we'll see when this candle closes. Love from India. Why should I start reading the Bible like you do? I think you've already answered your question by thinking about it. So I won't tell you why you should, but I think you've already answered your question by thinking about it. Sounds like someone's knocking on your door, my G. And yeah, there's no harm in opening the book, right? Give me a soundboard. Yeah, of course, MC, yep. Yeah, because of tax. But it's good to live here as well. What up, River? Yeah, get a closure above here. We'll start looking at potentially locking in. Jesus is reliable. Paid for my girlfriend's flowers using your strat. Let's go. I'm getting my boy laid out here. See, the strategy is so powerful that I'm getting dudes laid. Right? Isn't that something? So all you virgins and incels, it's like, brother, lock in. I'm getting guys laid out here. So, something to think about. One more Raja? One more with Raja? Yeah, we'll do another Raja one soon. Bro, I make a video impulse entry? Wait, what? Let's have a look at your channel. Let's have a look at your... I made a video impulse entry. Yeah, you got no videos, brother. That's the issue. You don't have any videos. Yeah, we get a break above here. I might think about getting interested. Thing I love about you is your consistency, and even after you got big, you're still the same, and still don't forget people that were... Yeah, of course, man. Yeah, 100%. Definitely, bro. And yeah, appreciate the consistency comment. I think that's so important in life in general, right? Consistency. I was thinking about the other day, it's just like most people can achieve everything that they want. It's just a matter of just trying. Like I was thinking about, I'm like, everything I actually try, I pretty much get. And it's the same with most people. Whenever you just try to get something, you actually do. The issue is most people just don't try to get the thing. They're like thinking about doing the thing. They're like thinking about the act of doing the thing and all the shit around doing the thing, but not doing the thing. I sound like that Chris Williamson. I actually really don't like him. He's like a robot. But not that I don't like him, but I don't like the way he speaks. Yeah, man, just try. Consistency. Exactly, bro. You sound like Logan Paul, brother. All right, big closures coming up here. Chris Williams isn't done. Oh, yeah. The only reason I'm not a fan of that Chris Williamson is because he's just like, you can tell a lot of his things are AI generated, like his talking points. Like it's very, anyone that's used AI scripts before, you can see AI always scripts in a very similar way, the way that it frames and like frames paragraphs. It always says things like, you know, intuition is the key to your thing. It always says, the problem isn't the way that you're thinking about it. The problem is that you are it. Like it always says that, it always breaks it down in segments where it says, the problem was never that you were this. The problem was that you were always it. I'm probably not making any sense, but I mean, I've just seen enough AI scripts that yeah, it's always the same. And then Chris Williamson's scripts are always like that. What up, Alex? Big boy, thanks for being you. Thank you for showing up, my G. Not the most exciting one, but looking for a candle closure here in a minute and potentially taking a buy. We'll see. I like the video of you with Kippa on your head. Wait, what? Ease up a bit, gold. Ease up, turbo. We've got 40 seconds. Yeah, I would say I'm a scalper, yeah. Do you go live every day? Not on YouTube, on my mentorship community, yes. Make sure you guys on YouTube, if everyone press like right now, I'm gonna save I'm gonna adopt an animal or something. Then how much do we need to start living in Dubai the safest amount? Nah, you don't want to do it, bro. Only come to Dubai if you've got a few streams of income and you're, you know, you've got a good amount of money. Otherwise, there's just no point, bro. Go and move to Bali or something where it's so much cheaper. You know, I was in Bali a little while ago and I became fucking rich. Not because I was making more money, but because I was spending so little. So little. I had a night out with a girl where I was buying dinner, I was buying drinks. Woo, me, a big ball, a big boss dog trying to impress. It cost like 120 Australian dollars for a full night, everything taken care of for both of us. If I did that here in Dubai, I'm not joking, it would have been about 5,000. All right, come on, Gold, what do you got for it? Don't be weird. Yeah, it's been fuck. Yeah, I wanted to buy gold. I could never have, you know, if I got a retest and then it started to break this high here, I would have tried to get a little scalp. Let's have a look. I don't know, man. Yo, what up, Ty? What's good, brother? Did you not say in Dubai, in Bali, Dubai shit? Maybe. Like, everything has its pros and cons, but now that I'm in Dubai, I'll probably say Bali shit because there's pros and cons to both. I was in Bali for over a month. Towards the end, I was like, man, get me the fuck out of here. How can we meet with you? That's a good question. I'm thinking about running a Dubai meetup very soon, actually. Yeah, zero pullback. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going vertical stat. Yeah, I'm getting vertical with it. I went to see my girlfriend last month using your strategy, profits using your strategy, Dan. Nice. See, I'm getting more dudes laid. You're welcome. Yeah, Bali is a bit of Western Sydney, isn't it? I mean, who's trying to potentially buy in Q above here? I don't know. I would like to buy in Q. Where have you been? Yeah, I don't stream every day on YouTube. Yeah, no, Dubai's chill. Nothing has happened since I've been here. How much your mentorship? Probably too much, bro, for you. Yeah. If this candle retests, you buy? No, it's already broke the high type shit. So let me look at these other time frames. Yeah, it's true. It's yeah. I don't have a pulse on gold right now. Like, you know, there's a part of me that says, oh man, like if it come down, if gold came down like this, right, and close below this level, we could like potentially try and sell off and fill some of this range, but it just doesn't look like it's going to happen. I really wanted to like take a little scalp break out of this level, but it just opened up and pushed. It already opened up and pushed here. So I'm going to hang out for a little bit longer, see what this candle wants to do, whilst also keeping an eye on NQ. And if nothing wants to happen with this candle, probably fucking pack up. Hi there, what game are you playing? I'm playing go through years of trauma to finally find financial success with the bar, move it up and down. Yeah. Bro, you look like a knockoff of Logan Paul. Bro, at this point, I'm just gonna say yeah. Then when wait for previous candle break and when to enter current candle high break. Yeah, I don't know. That's too many words. I don't understand. I want to answer your question, but I don't get it. Yeah, not a fan of these pushes. It always makes it tough. My thing is always like trying to get aggressive with the momentum, which I would have been happy to do here on gold, but it kind of opened up and just pushed. Didn't really give that chance to be a part of it, which is a shame, but you know, it's just what it is. It is what it is. Meow, meow. Yeah. NQ. If NQ breaks above here, I'll buy. Yeah, one more drink stream, legit. Yeah. Oh, that was exhausting. I don't know how some of these guys do like 3-hour streams. It's crazy. Can I pass Top Step Combine in 2? Yes, yep, in 2 days, that's right, yep. It's too extended, so it's a better option. Based on what evidence? If it's moving up, my G. What's your favorite beer? I actually don't drink beer. Yeah, I drink like vodka. I just drink other drinks, cocktails and stuff. I get zesty with like margaritas and shit. Ryan Gosling, Dre training before GTA 6. Brother. GTA. Dude. Or if if NQ came down, closed small body green, I would probably take an impulse sell. We'll see. I could see NQ selling. Oh, someone has a sell stop here. You guys on YouTube, if you like me, press thumbs up on the video. Vodka Red Bull, yeah. No vodka Red Bull, nah. Vodka soda with a slither of raspberry, not raspberry, lemon or something, lime. It's gonna collect liquidity and go down. Liquidity collected. Like, you know, on Monopoly, you go through the thing. Mr. Daniel, any chance I can get a shout out for my Romanian community? Yo, big shout out to Alex in the chat for the Romanian community. Fuck yeah. Yeah, there you go, bro. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. Wait, people saying said hi? I didn't see that. Why do you not go short NQ? Nah, I will if I get what I want to see, but right now it's pushing up. I'm going to put a level here on gold. Break below there, I'll sell. Anybody got any trades here? I'll send you a free link to the free Discord community in the YouTube chat right now. If anybody's got any trades that they want to post and get some live feedback right now, chuck it in the Discord. Here's the Discord link, free Discord link. You can chuck a trade in there and then tell me, hey bro, come check this out. And we can have a look at it on stream. Yeah, breaks below is here, I'll sell. Wait, people are saying said hi. What the fuck does said hi mean? Do you think about martingale strategy and trading? Yeah, I think it's gay. Yeah, it's not good. Yeah, don't do it. Yeah, see if NQ wants to reject. See if gold wants to close below. Impatient already blew my account. Yeah, you gotta be patient. There's a time and a place to blow an account, and it's not right now. Yeah, there's a time and a place. It's just not now. He only replies to people with Christian names? Wow. That's crazy, bro. Imagine being like, thinking that shit. Sell or buy. Somebody said sell or buy in the chat. You know, I've been streaming for a year and a half. I've never seen that comment, sell or buy. You know, I've never really thought about it. I'm going to say sell. There you go. There you go. Click sell right now. Click sell. Do it. You're not going to do it, are you? You're just going to say it. You're going to type. And then that's it. That's it. Right? Regardless of what I say, you're not going to do anything about it. And if you are, I need evidence. You need to post it in the Discord and say, look, bro, I took your signal. I sold. Type shit. Brother, would you please make another video on impulse entries? Nah, it's not worth it. It's not worth it, bro. Looking for sell FVG. What you said with Bali, I kind of want to move from the UK. I was thinking about Dubai. Don't go to Dubai, bro, unless you're rich. Go to Bali. There's like, why would you want to, like, think about it. Like, whenever I say this to someone, whenever someone says this to me and I say, why do you want to go to Dubai? They don't actually know why, right? Why so sarcastic, bro? I don't know, bro. It's literally like something I've been my whole life. I wish I could stop because sometimes I get in trouble for it. Yeah. Yeah, I always say, why do you want to go to Dubai? And you don't really know. So it's like, that'd be the first question to figure out is, why do I actually want to go to Dubai? Why would I want to live in Dubai? That's going to be a really important question. How to join your Discord? I posted a link in the chat if you scroll up. Here, I'll post it again. It's just a free Discord community, nothing crazy. I want to go to Thailand? I wonder why. What is the feeling to have money right now from poor guy, cash in his pocket? Do you think you are a different person? Yeah, I'm a better person now. I'm a way better person now, because when you're broke, you're in survival mode, right? You're in survival mode and you're stressing out about money and shit. All the depression and anxiety and stress I've had in my life has always been correlated to the fact that I didn't have enough money. So now that I have money that I don't have to think about it that much, I have more time to focus on being a better person, which is interesting. But you would think it goes the other way. When people get money, they turn into dickheads. It's like, no. Well, for me at least, it was the opposite. Man, gold's freaking bipolar. Oh, okay. If it's because if you want to go to Dubai purely for the tax purposes, then yeah, come on down. Yeah, I forgot about that part. Since you moved to Dubai, have you been cautious about Islam since Dubai is very... No. Everyone's nice. No one's doing any crazy shit. I mean, what are they going to do? You believe in Jesus? Jesus Christ. My God's better than yours. Bali's full of scammers, beware. I mean, just don't hang out with weird people. I will change my name to Alex Holmes on TikTok and I'll come back. Fuck it. Yeah, I rate Dubai. Dubai's been incredible, man. Really good for business connections, really good for like focus, being focused and just really getting after it. Very expensive. But yeah, it's been great for me personally. Like people were like, dude, don't go there. Like make sure you go visit it first before you decide to live there. I didn't even visit. I just decided, all right, I'm going to live in fucking Dubai, right? And just came here. All right, I'm gonna look to sell here. I'm gonna need a bit of a topic. Get out his first minute, and then I want to sell. Yeah, bro, I just came. Yeah, it's mandatory to get out that first minute. Yep. I actually came to Dubai in summer as well, which is the worst. Like, I'm here in summer right now. It's a fucking pits of hell, man. Yeah, I sold everything in Australia. I sold my car, I sold my I sold everything, all my furniture. I think I either broke my lease or I finished my lease. Sold everything, packed up 2 suitcases and just got on a plane. I didn't have anywhere to live here yet either. I booked in a hotel and just started looking at places, hired a car and just did it from scratch, bro. Literally at the age of 33 decided, you know what? I'm gonna move here and fucking see if I can pull something off. Yeah, gonna need something here. Come on, gold, man. Just tough conditions here if you're gonna... Yeah, this is what I wanted to see on NQ as well. I think, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit more interested in NQ sales. If gold gives me a top wick, I'll sell gold. But right now, I'm probably just gonna stick with NQ. Hundo. If gold gives me a bit of a top week, I'll put an order on gold as well. But right now, I'm more interested in NQ. I sat outside coffee shop in Dubai, mate. Weather is lovely. What are you fucking talking about? The weather isn't lovely, bro. It's a fucking absolute sauna. That's the one thing that pisses me off about Dubai people is they like, or a certain group of Dubai people, they love to like try to pretend that everything's all good. It's great here. It's all good. It's like, bro, you don't need to defend. Like, it's okay to criticize certain things. I love Dubai as well. I love the weather as well, but man, it's fucking absolutely scorching. And I come from Australia where it's extremely hot there as well. It's too hot here. It's too hot. You have to either be indoors or go, yeah, it's too hot. Bro is just selling manipulation. No, please don't be just manipulating me. Strong 30 closure, strong 1 hour closure, 15-minute support, 4 hours moving down. I don't know, we'll see how we go. Don't, if you don't want to take the trade, don't take the trade. This isn't a signal service, this is me just showing up and trading. If you decide to trade, then that's on you. I'm trading with jungle beats in the background, my dude. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. YouTube. YouTube. You long? You know it. You fucking know it, my dude. You look like Jake Paul. Bro, how about I fucking... Yeah, it's all good. Oh, gold. No. Yeah, I was interested in selling gold, but it needed a bit of a retest. Didn't give it at all. Same with buys, it didn't give a retest. It's just like sometimes you get these kind of days where it's just tricky. It just doesn't do the shit that you want. Who's Jason Dole? I've never heard this one. You know, every time somebody says this, I Google it and it's like I get depressed that they said I look like this person. So let's have a look. Oh wait, Jason Dole, like the Jason thing? I'm confused. Yeah, NQ, what do you got? Jungle trades. China. I just have one thumb to give to you. Thank you, bro. Thank you for giving me a thumb. Don't want NQ to push up any further than this. Not a good sign. You guys, does anyone know on CFDs how long till the 4-hour close on futures on NQ? It's got 1.5 hours on futures. Give gold 9 minutes, yeah. Oh, 40 minutes? Oh, 67 minutes? Everyone's got different shits. $38. At this point, I would just shave myself and get a tattoo on my head. Come on, man. We need to get a jungle trade. We need to get a jungle trade, man. Irregular wave C selling candle. What the fuck's an irregular C selling wave candle, right? What the fuck is an irregular wave C candle? This is what a fucking, this is what it is. You're talking about an actual candle. No, we don't look at that shit. Ready to hunt a lion? I made my own indicator. I'm trying to get it Discord, but I can't set it. Yeah, you're not gonna send any weird shit into my Discord, bro. Sorry. Yeah, you're not, bro. That's so wild to think that you could join the Discord just to try and pitch your indicator to get people to sign up to it. It doesn't work like that, my brother. If you've created something, like build a social presence, build a social media around that thing that you created. Don't try and like, you know, do that kind of shit. You can do it, man. You can create a social media and stuff. If a product is really good, people will buy it. Do you have a frou-frou? What the hell is that? Gonna see how this candle closes, man. Gonna see how this candle closes. The market is giving us absolute scraps here. Let's be honest, you guys. We're getting scraps. We're gonna have to, at some point, we're gonna have to face reality. Yeah. I follow my guru, Daniel. Man, I want to chase a lion or something. How do you control your emotions? You don't. You just get better at it over time. Mental endurance. Long hair, long dick. Yeah, gonna wait for this candle to close and see if we get anything here, but damn, gold's flipping around like you wouldn't believe. Who sold just now? Didn't expect that. You know, There's a part of me that wants to hang out because I could see gold fucking creating like a type 2 buy scenario, but I don't know if I can be bothered. Where do you live? I live in Dubai. Habibi, can't die. Ashallah, alhamdulillah. Yeah, but it didn't, I can't take it, like it retested. I didn't expect this at all. It came up and retested and come down and break its low like this. With like this much time on the clock, it's typically something that I won't ever really do. You know, you kind of need it to retest before it starts to break the low. Like there's a time and a place to let it tap and then retest and break again, but it kind of, I mean, I did not expect it to do what it's doing here right now. I got in a car, Lee, and drove away. Drove inland a couple of hours. Looks irregular, flat correlation over 1 hour time frame. Wave B, the bounce and the stop. Irregular, brother. Brother. You know what I mean? Like, fuck. Strat. Strategy. Based on how this closed, it might take an impulse buy. We'll see. Too much freaking talking. Hey! It's either that or what? What do you want me to do? Do you want me to just to take bullshit buy and sell positions for your entertainment? What do you want me to... Marcus? Mufasa, or whatever your bullshit name is? What do you want me to do? Do you want me to buy or do you want me to sell? I'll do whatever you want me to do right now. Good way to find bad strategies. Yeah, legit. Or if not, TikTok. If we close small body here, I might take an impulse to break the high. We're very bullish. What's up, Allison? On my mum's, I ain't trying to sell anything. Yeah, I don't know, bro.
In the beginning.
Make sure you guys on YouTube, please drop a thumbs up for the stream. If you do it, I'll give you a Lamborghini. Yeah, I'll take a buy at the break its high if we can hold out like this. I was very surprised at it moving down like that. Lamborghini. Why didn't you take sell trade? Because it didn't retest like it did here. See, it pushed down, then came up, tacked up here, and then moved down again. Just like the criteria that I needed to see just didn't play out. Oh, people are Allison and Paige are requesting specific cars now. Maybe to trap sellers? Yeah, but I don't even know what that means. I'm too dumb for that. When did Logan Paul start trading? Yeah, how about Logan Paul come over to where you live right now, grab you by the neck, and walk you down to the police station? Yeah, we close something like this. I would love to buy gold. My gold. Nice. from South Australia. Let's get it. Literally in a 4-stage downtrend. Yeah, and I'm going through the 4 stages of grief listening to this chat sometimes. Let's see if we get a 4-stage retest. 30-minute close, 30-minute fail to close below this level. 15, everything's still open. So yeah, I'd love to see a bit of a retest here. I like how the highs were broken there. If we can get out this first minute. If we can get out this first minute. What's the ranges like? Oh, the ranges aren't even that big. Sweet. Sweet. Bro, irregular flat correlation looks wave B 111% take fast bounce. So when wave C... Nah, this has to be troll. This has to be troll. This has to be troll, bro. Strategy. D. Yeah, I've got a buy stop here. We'll see. We'll see, strat. I wouldn't buy here. There's a Fibonacci ratio. Yeah, there's probably a trend line correlation. It probably bounces off fucking RSIs and EMAs and all this shit as well. Just, who cares, bro? I just read candlesticks. And for me, this is enough confirmation that we could get a pop. I'd like to buy with the trend. I want to move up. Ooh. What's your opinion on FTMO? That is too expensive. Just go get like a cheap futures account, man. Don't buy, dude. The moon is not aligned. Don't buy the actually is a full moon at the moment. Oh, there's also a FEG. Where's TV? Oh, that's fucked. Yeah, man. B or S? What the freak? Bam. Yes, sir. People still look at fake value gaps. Fake value gaps. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Is this a type 2? Yeah. Bro, it's freaking freezing. It's freezing. Bay or seal? Bay or seal? Yeah, I only go live to get SIGs from the chat, exactly. How do you withdraw on your personal account? You know, that's a good question. I don't have a system just yet. I was thinking of taking out 10K last week, but I'm thinking of trying to bring it back to 100 and then just take 50 bangers. Because 50K USD hitting your account hits different, man. Tonight will be the night that I will marry you. Oh, what the hell? Come on, man. If gold doesn't give us what like we want here, it's just one of those sessions. All right.
In the beginning.
I had hope, but now, yeah. It's gold. I know the only person wear a hoodie in Dubai. I got the aircon pumping. Yeah, I mean I don't have ADHD, but NDIS. I don't have NDIS, but these markets do right now by the way they're acting. And then if gold closed below here, I'm gonna sell. I just keep buying and sell. Oh, yep, sell, buy. Blah, blah. Habibi, come to Pakistan? Yeah, it's gonna be tough, man. I have NDIS. HDI. Yeah, it's gonna be tough to want to go to Pakistan right now. Why don't you use bots? Up, down, legit. Well, this was in Asia, kept swapping biases. Bro, but that's exactly what you need to do. Like that's, I'm glad that you guys were doing that because it is really important to actually like, just go, like flow with the market. Like Bruce Lee, be like water, right? We just got to flow with the market. So right now, based on this, I'm gonna have to cancel my order. It's too extended down now. Oh my God, we've got 10,000 views on this video so far. Yeah, it's too extendo down now. We'll see if NQ, I'm just gonna see if NQ breaks below this level here, and then I'll probably sell it. It's probably just gonna melt though. I actually kind of want to take an impulse sell. If it retraces up here, I might take an impulse sell on NQ. Nah, I won't. I better not. Yeah, okay. My last hope is the NQ break below this level, but I think it's either going to fail, reject here, or continue to push down. We'll see. Take it. Oh, bro, somebody just called me a ninja. That's not very nice. Oh, did you, Ty? Oh, that's good. Yeah. It's exactly like, it's what it's going to be like. Oh, fuck. Any tips for somebody who passes the evals in 2-3 days but fails in the express every time? Yeah, just keep trying, bro. Just keep trying. Yeah. It's obviously the psychology of the money aspect getting into your head, but you just got to keep trying, bro. Just do it. Just keep trying. You'll get there. There's a 100% guaranteed chance of you improving at trading by continually trading. Actually, that's not true. People do people can do dumb shit for a long period of time and actually like build up really bad habits. But yeah. Again, my only hope right now is NQ. We'll keep an eye on it. But like I said, I think it's either going to reject or continue to push down. That's why I was like really tempted to take an impulse here on NQ. Yo, Suman in the chat. What up, brother? Been a minute. Big S dog. Been a hot minute. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. I better not answer it. Yeah, this is why I wanted to take that impulse. I was so fucking close to clicking sell as well. Just based on the higher time frames. Look at the higher time frames, you guys. Yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, what a shame. Yeah, painful session, you guys. I'm sorry. Just very painful stuff here. No trade. There's just been no trade. The only best trade setup here right now was this impulse on NQ, but it was still very risky. The conditions weren't really that good for it. Appreciate you guys showing up though. I'm going to call it here. I'm just going to come back at New York. Yeah, NQ was a good sell. Yeah. would have been BE by now. But damn, that's painful. I was so close to clicking the button. Love you, gang. Thank you for showing up. I'll see you again. I think me and Aaron are going to do a joint stream this Friday, this Thursday as well. So keep an eye on Aaron Trades. Look at this on NQ. Fuck, I should have clicked it. You know, I was nearly going to say I'm not going to do it on stream because I would have done it. I don't want to influence you guys and be like, why did you take it though? And then I have to go into a 9 million story about why I took it. But love you, gang. Appreciate ya. And I'll catch up with you guys and on the next stream and see you guys in the mentorship in the Dissy. Thanks, gang. Love you. Bye-bye.